Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the allow WhatsApp access to your microphone problem when you try to call someone on WhatsApp. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on this video. So, let's get started. First of all, let me show you the problem. If I open WhatsApp and try to call someone, as you can see, I can't call any number, and this message is showing here. To call, allow WhatsApp access to your microphone. This message appears if you haven't allowed WhatsApp to access your microphone, okay? So, let's see how we can fix it. Just hold down the WhatsApp app icon and go to App Info. If you don't find App Info there, go to Settings. From there, scroll down and go to Apps. After that, go to Manage Apps. Now search for WhatsApp and open it. Next, scroll down and go to App Permissions, and then enable the microphone. After that, just go back and reopen WhatsApp. Now, if I try to call, as you can see, I can call without any problem. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on this video. Thanks for watching.